Hi from seosemcourse.online. So today I will show you how to buy a domain on Namecheap. Firstly, you can check out my post on the website. I already listed some step-by-step and some useful links that you can follow. I will put the link below the video so that you can check. Now let's get started. Firstly, open a new tab for the search page on Namecheap here. Now you can simply search the domain name here. For example, I want to buy a domain name Go Digital MKT. MKT stands for marketing. Now enter. So you can see the godigitalmarketing.com has been taken, so we cannot take it anymore. Instead of that, we have a lot of options down there, like .me, .online, .link, .work, or .digital. So for this part, you will need to consider bid. For example, you want to buy something, so the .shop will be suitable. But if you want to run an education website, for example, so you can choose a .edu. So it's totally up to you. For me, I will choose this one. So for this one, if you want to buy this domain, you just need to press the Add to Cart button. So the system will show you some other add-on services like buy new hosting or add-on professional email. If you want to buy web hosting together with the domain on Namecheap, you can just add to cart here. But you don't want to buy, just leave it empty. In my case, actually I don't want to buy web hosting here because I supposed to buy in another website and then connect it together because I found this way is kind of cheaper and more saving. I already make another video to show you how to buy web hosting in another website, which is Whoisguard. You can check my video later. But now continue to check out. Here you can review your order again and choose the option like bill recycle time, 1 year, 2 year. But for me, I just want to buy 1 year only. For the auto renew function, you can choose the auto renew function if you always want this domain. But for me, no need, because actually when the domain is almost expired, the system will send you an email to notice you that your domain will be expired and remind you to renew your domain. So actually no need to choose this function. For this add-on service, Whoisguard, this one is free forever, so no need to do anything. So now, for the promotion code, if you see on my website, I already put the link to the Namecheap deal, where you can check if there any happening deal right now. The page will show like that with the monthly coupon. If you can just copy and paste the code on the promotion code and apply. But for my case, the price is quite cheap, so no need to apply any promotion code. Now just need to confirm the order. Here you have two options, account and to create another account. If this is your first time to buy a domain on Namecheap, you will need to create a new account. Very simple. So put the username, choose a password, confirm a password, enter your first name, last name, and email address, and press the created account and continue. But for me, I already have one account, so I will just log in, sign in, and continue here. Okay, so now you can review your order. To make sure the price is correct, there is no add-on anything, subtotal. So everything is correct because I already enter my billing information. You can see here, I already choose the payment detail with the payment method, receive information like your name, the address, your phone, the email, and renewable setting. So I don't need to enter anything else. But for you, if this is the first time you buy, you will need to enter that information. Like payment method, you can choose Visa, credit card or Visa card, or the PayPal card, and enter the personal information like your name, address, and everything. After you fill in all required information, so pay now to need to pay now to place the order. After you pay for the order, the system will send back to your message, thank you for the purchase and the order number. Now you already buy your first domain successfully. Now you can go back to the dashboard on Namecheap to check the domain list. Here, if the domain name appear here, it means you already bought it successfully. So now it's time to buy a hosting for the domain.